we've got to be. Just be. Be what God created you. I've got to be like this person. No. You be what God created you to be. When our focus is Jesus, there is victory. But when we self-examine and it becomes self-obsession and guilt and shame gets hold of us and we are performance-based and our faith is performance-based, the focus is not on Jesus. Hebrews 12:2, Amplified Classic says, Paul writes again and he says, looking away from all that will distract to Jesus, who is the leader and the source of our faith, giving the first incentive for our belief and is also its finisher, bringing it to maturity and perfection. He, for the joy of obtaining the prize that was set before him, endured the cross, despising and ignoring the shame, and is now seated at the right hand of the throne of God. Looking away from all that will distract to Jesus. That's what you and I need to do. Look away and look at Jesus.